Hey guys, it's Crypto Jetta. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified of new video releases. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. It's twitter.com/CryptoJetta. I post there from time to time as well. But today I'm going to talk about a new strategy on the Solana network. Basically, what we do is we take our Solana and we go to this website here, Orca, which is a DEX on the Solana blockchain. Basically, it says, welcome to Aura. Aura is the easiest place to swap cryptocurrency on Solana. Let's look at the price of Solana actually. If we go here to Crypto Bubbles, and you can see right now the price is around $55. It jumped 15% in a day. It seems like the market is sort of making a recovery, but we don't know. We don't fully know just yet. We look at the price of Bitcoin, as you can see here, within the last day or so, that it dropped almost as low as $24,000, but it quickly recovered back up to $30,000. We don't know if it's going to continue to shoot back up here to this point here where I have these EMA lines here. We don't know yet, but still, this market is a little on the bearish side right now from a daily standpoint. And if we look at the weekly, same thing here. But there's, like I said, there's a huge rejection line right here, so it's probably going to retrace back up to this point here for a little bit. Well, like I said, we have to see what happens with this market because anything can happen. We don't know where price is actually going to go. We just have to trade accordingly. But anyway, if we go back to Orca, if we look at the facts, the frequently asked questions here. So basically it says, why Solana? Solana performance stands out, 50,000 transactions per second, 400 millisecond block times, and 1 cent average transaction fees. What's more, impressed by the value, vision, and engineering chops of the Solana team. For these reasons, we believe that Solana is the best choice to support the next generation of DeFi apps. They said, do you have a governance token? Yes, the Orca governance token was launched on August 9th, 2021. So basically, this project has been up for a while now. There was no public sales. And they tell you what wallets that you can use. So basically, you can't use MetaMask currently with you can't use MetaMask wallet with Solana because it's not an Ethereum virtual machine. So they call it, what is it, EVM? Ethereum. Let's look that up. Yeah, Ethereum virtual machine. It's just basically a just the way smart contracts are designed or whatnot. You can't. It says when reading the Ethereum yellow papers, blah blah blah. Understanding. You need to understand what is a virtual machine. It's machines that attempt a higher level of abstraction than your usual operating system. So this is more on the expert level of things, I guess, when it comes to smart contracts and whatnot. Just know that right now, currently, MetaMask doesn't support Solana. So what you're going to have to do when you go to this website here, you just hit on Connect Wallet, and they have these supported Solana-based wallets here. I have Phantom on here installed currently, as you can see. Let's see here. All right, so as you can see, I'm connected to my wallet. But if we go back here, I love the sleek design of this wallet here. But I will post a link in the description to the Phantom wallet. You can download it for your browser. You can download it for your iOS or Android smartphone, and so much more. You can put your NFTs here. It's phantom.app, but like I said, I have the link in the description. So basically what you want to do is when you get to this website here, all right, you connect your wallet, and then you want to get some Solana, as you can see, based off my off my strategy here, right? Get some Solana. Once you get some Solana, you go here to the whirlpools, and you just basically select what you want to farm, basically. As you can see, some of these have some juicy APRs, but you also have to be careful on some of these. Just because there is a high APR doesn't necessarily mean that it's a good pool. And a good example of this is ST Solana WUST. Well, we already know about UST. It's pretty much, I guess you could say, dead, because Luna, if you look at Luna, yeah, it dropped 100% in the last week. They went through some problems, and they pretty much, I heard today that they frozen the blockchain. So we don't know if Terra is ever going to recover. But I really feel sorry for the people that actually put their whole investment, their whole life savings into one coin. And that's one thing I always tell people not to do, is to never put your eggs in one basket. Always try to split up your project. So that's why when I make these strategy videos, I give you different websites that you can go to farm, to yield farm. So basically, for example, you could do, I showed you a strategy for Spooky Swap, which is on the Phantom network. I showed you Finance, which is on the Chronos network, right? I showed you Nami Swap, passive income strategy. That's on Binance Smart Chain. And like I said, I have loads more of videos and strategies on different chains. I try to split things up for you guys, so that way, whatever you want to do, and whatever chain that you want to, stick your money into, I try to give you the best strategies as possible. So like I said, I'm going to improve my playlist here, but in the future I will have like Binance Smart Chain projects and Solana based projects for you as well, to make it easier for you to sort it out. But right now, like I said, I try to split to different chains, so that way you won't put your eggs all in one basket. So that way you won't lose money, because every time I went to Twitter for the past several months, everybody kept saying Anchor Protocol, Anchor Protocol, Anchor Protocol. But you see what happened to US Terra. It just went from $1, now it's all the way down to 15 cents. 84% in the past week, which is sad. But anyway, going back to the strategy here, basically you just, put Solana, you basically convert, you make a liquidity pair as usual, like I state in my other videos. Alright, so whirlpools. Say for example, if we wanted to do this right here, BTC USDC, as you can see currently, you earn 166% APR, right? The last 24-hour volume was over $1 million. Fees that was made was around $2,000. Liquidity is around 520,000, right? So that just basically shows you how much is in that pool right there, which is $500,000. But anyway, you earn 166% APR, and in return you'll get Orca rewards, right? So we would just hit deposit, right? So it gives you the what I like about this, it gives you a price range that you can set, right? Basically, if you do active, you earn higher yields, and divergent loss requires frequent rebalancing, right? Or you could do passive, which is lower yields and divergence loss, less frequency rebalance, and then not only that, you could do a custom inlet. It's only recommended only if you understand concentrated liquidity. So say for example we wanted to do passive. Next, we choose an amount, right? Now basically, here's the thing: you gotta have. It'll show you what I like about this. It shows you the deposit ratio that you need. So I don't have no BTC or USDC version of Solana in here, but what you would do, obviously, like say if I wanted to put 1 BTC, you would need also $22,313 worth of USDC coins, tokens, right? And it'll show you the amount here total, what you have in that liquidity pair. Obviously, I can't do this right here. It says not enough tokens, but if I did, it will automatically make those liquidity pair tokens for you, so that way you can deposit in the pool for you. I love the fact that it's just that simple, guys. So basically, once you start earning in those farms, right, the whirlpools, you will earn those certain tokens, right? So this is how I would cash out, guys. So there's a thing called the Crypto Fear Greed Index, right? Let me see if I got this website. Yeah, I do right here. So basically, I'm going to put this link in the description here for you. And so basically it says Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Each day we analyze emotions and sentiments from different sources and crunch them into one simple number, right? And as you can see here, now we're in extreme fear and greed, because obviously, as of lately, everything has been bearish and just selling off. So yesterday was extreme fear with a score of 12. Last week was extreme fear with 22. And last month was extreme fear of 25. So basically the strategy is saying, once you start earning your rewards tokens in those farms, whirlpool farms, you basically, if the fear and greed index is low, like it is right now, I would trade those reward tokens, which is either Oracle, whatever it tells you in that pool, right? What you earn, I would just trade that for blue chips. Blue chips being, Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe even Solana still, Avalanche, just those blue chip coins. That's basically, I guess you could say, in the top 20. Just don't trade it for Luna or US Terra, because those two coins, man, it's not looking good. Definitely not looking good. So, right now, if the fear and I put green. I'm sorry, it's greed. If the fear and greed index is high, then you would trade the rewards tokens for stable coins. So basically, I mean, you could trade for USDC, maybe Tether, just anything that's a decent stable coin, because what you will want to do is, when the price is high, you will obviously want to take profits. You don't want to trade into a blue chip when price is high, because eventually, if the coin tanks again, then you're not gonna, take advantages of those profits. So basically, maybe, when the fear and greed index is high, keep it in stable coins, and when maybe it drops back down low, then you could probably take those stable coins and buy blue chips. Just that, it's just that simple, guys. Really that simple. Like I said, this is not a hard strategy. It's just the simple fact for the Solana platform, you need a whole different wallet. You don't, like I said, MetaMask is not going to work right now with Solana. If it is, guys, please let me know in the comments. I know I don't know. I tried to go to Chainlist and I didn't see Solana on there. Yeah, Solana's not on here. But with that said, guys, that's the strategy. I will post this strategy here on Twitter, and I will also post it on Telegram. So if you don't know what my Telegram channel is, it's this right here. And also, eventually, I will make a blog post on this strategy as well. I'm actually working on my website more today with more DeFi strategies for you. But anyway, that website is cryptojetto.com. With that said, guys, that's the strategy for today, and I am out. You guys have a great weekend.